In 1 minute, you can earn someone's monthly salary on binary options if you know where the market is headed. Of course, I can't see the future, but there are situations where everything is obvious. I will show you a strategy for beginners that will allow you to determine future price movements with high probability and accordingly earn from it. The market is cyclical and there are many repeating patterns on any chart. Let me show you. So guys, we are going to start trading today with $5,542 and see how much we can earn. I see the first interesting trade, and this is exactly the situation I want to talk about today. Look, this pattern is called a breakout or test. It often repeats on the chart, and if you see such a situation, definitely enter the trade. And what do we have here? We have a support level or a resistance level. This is a horizontal level from which the chart bounces multiple times. But then comes a moment when the chart breaks through the level. However, we enter the trade specifically on the retest, when the market returns to this level to continue its decline or rise. We see the same thing here. By the way, our trade will close in 15 seconds. Here we have a horizontal level. The market breaks through this horizontal level, returns to it, we open the trade, and the market continues its downward movement. In 3, 2, 1 second, we are already earning $368. This could very well be someone's salary for an entire month. Don't be surprised, even such low salaries exist in the world. Right now we have a similar situation. We are entering another trade in line with trend. So it should close in profit. Again, we draw a horizontal level to determine a horizontal level. We only need two reactions for the chart. We can see these two reactions right now. Here's the first reaction from the level, and here is the second reaction from the level as well. Now we break through the resistance level, we turn for a retest. And here we open the trade because the chart should continue its upward movement. I really hope it will be so. We see the same thing in this image. Pay attention. We have a breakout, a retest, and the market continues its upward movement. Our next trade should be closed in 10 seconds. Just like that, in another minute, we earned another $368. For those who still don't understand anything about this, but really want to earn money, I have a small alternative for you. I have signals from my robot that sends traders for 5 and 15 minutes. By the way, we have some small losses today, but overall, a large number of wins. 72% win rate for this robot. You can test these signals for free today by simply following the link to my Telegram channel. There's nothing complicated to do. Just go to the robot, write the comment, start signal, press to receive signals, and within 2 hours, the robot will send you signals. Don't forget to turn on notifications. So, guys, look, here we have a rather questionable situation, but we can try to enter it. We have a very long level, and it somewhat resembles what we traded before. It just seems like we need a higher time frame, say a 3-minute time frame. It looks similar to how we traded on the 1-minute chart. Here we have a horizontal level. We are now returning to this horizontal level and opening a trade for the continuation of the trend. The trend was previously downward. We broke the level, returned, and now ideally, we should continue to fall. Let's see. Wow, great trade. Everything is awesome. I'm satisfied. Let's move on. So look, here we have a potential retest. I'm waiting for the candle to close. A new candle is starting, and I'm opening a trade for a decline. There's absolutely nothing complicated about this. We just take a horizontal line and place it where we've already had reactions. So here the chart turned once. There were many touches. This is generally a confirmed horizontal level. We broke it, now we turn to it, and I think we will continue to fall, considering that we had a strong decline before. So essentially, we are entering with the trend. Yes, guys, it was a risky trade. How much do we have? Just a couple of points, maybe 12 points, but nevertheless, the trade closes very close. We already have 4 profitable trades today. Let's probably make one last one. Of course, we can take a bit of a risk and enter for a decline, right? Since we anticipate further downward movement. We received a reaction. Don't forget that this reaction may not necessarily be clear from the level. So the chart may not go slightly higher as in this situation, or slightly lower if we are trading an increase. So be prepared that we might cover the trade with 2 more trades if this one turns out to be losing, because right now our entry point isn't the best, but I hope for just a continuation of the downward movement. I really like it based on its structure, so I'm definitely opening here. Wow, friends, this is turning out to be an almost perfect video. Our 5th trade is closing now. That's the 5th profit. The amount is $400. We've earned quite well today. 5 times $350. I think that's about $1,700 in pure profit from one trading session. While we were trading, the robot already sent 2 signals that each of you could simply copy. One signal has already turned out profitable. We are waiting for the second one. So to start earning in binary options right now, just follow the link in the description and repeat everything after me. I wish you good luck. Goodbye.